As property owners, we're always looking for ways to improve our investments and attract great tenants. Sometimes that means taking a fresh look at our properties and making some changes. That's where repositioning comes in. It's about finding a new niche in the market and adjusting your property to fit that need. Maybe your location is perfect for young professionals, or perhaps families are moving into the area. Repositioning helps you capture that market and boost your returns. Think of it like fixing up an old house. You wouldn't just slap on some paint and call it a day, would you? No, you'd think about the layout, the finishes, and the overall feel you want to create. Repositioning your apartment building is the same idea. You're not just changing the look, you're changing the whole story of who lives there and why they love it. This isn't just about making more money, although that's a great bonus. It's also about creating a thriving community within your property. When you attract the right tenants, folks who appreciate the lifestyle you're offering, you create a sense of place. That leads to happier tenants, longer leases, and a property that practically manages itself. Before you start picking out paint colors or planning a rooftop garden, you've got to know who you're trying to attract. This is where demographic research comes in. You need to understand the needs, desires, and preferences of your ideal tenant. Are you near a university? Then students or young professionals might be your target. Is your property in a quiet suburb? Families might be your best bet. Once you know who you're after, tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Use language that resonates with them, highlight the amenities they're looking for, and advertise where they're looking. You wouldn't try to sell a family-friendly minivan to a single college student, would you? The same goes for your apartments. Remember, effective marketing is about connecting with people on a personal level. Show potential tenants that you understand their needs and that your property is the perfect place for them to call home. First impressions matter. A new name, a fresh logo, and a consistent brand message can work wonders in attracting your target audience. Think about your ideal tenant. What kind of image would appeal to them? What kind of lifestyle does your property offer? Your branding should reflect that. It's not just about a fancy new sign, though. Your branding should be reflected in everything you do, from your website and marketing materials to the way you interact with tenants. Consistency is key. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. A memorable name and logo can make your property stand out from the competition. Remember, you're selling a lifestyle, not just four walls and a roof. Section 4. Amenities, rates and leases. Fine-tuning for success. Now that you've got the look and feel down, it's time to fine-tune the practical aspects. Start with your amenities. What can you offer that aligns with your target tenant's lifestyle? Maybe it's a state-of-the-art gym for fitness buffs, a co-working space for remote workers, or a playground for families. Next, consider your rental rates. You need to find a sweet spot that's competitive in the market, but also reflects the value you're offering. Don't be afraid to charge a premium for desirable amenities and a great location. Finally, think about your lease terms. Are you targeting short-term renters or those looking for a more permanent home? Offering flexible lease options can attract a wider range of tenants. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance. You want to attract and retain tenants while also maximizing your return on investment. Section 5, going green, sustainability as a selling point. In today's world, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a priority for many renters. Incorporating eco-friendly features into your property can be a major selling point. Think energy-efficient appliances, low-flow water fixtures, and sustainable landscaping. Not only can these features attract environmentally conscious tenants, but they can also save you money on utilities in the long run. It's a win-win. Remember, repositioning your property is an ongoing process. As the market changes and tenant preferences evolve, you need to be ready to adapt. Stay informed, listen to your tenants, and don't be afraid to make changes along the way.